Which of the following is not a primary color of light? A. Red. B. Blue. C. Yellow. D. Green. Correct answer is green. Which pigment is responsible for skin color? A. Hemoglobin. B. Keratin. C. Melanin. D. Both A and C. Correct answer is melanin. Which of the following is an example of a renewable energy source? A. Coal. B. Natural gas. C. Solar power. D. Nuclear energy. Correct answer is solar power. What is the pH value of pure water? A. 5. B. 7. C. 9. D. 10. Correct answer, 7. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which part of the plant conducts the process of transpiration? A. Leaves. B. Roots. C. Stem. D. Flowers. Correct answer is leaves. Which gas makes up the largest percentage of the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is nitrogen. Which gas is responsible for the Earth's ozone layer depletion? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. Which metal is the best conductor of electricity? Silver, copper, gold, aluminium. Correct answer is copper. Which gas do humans primarily exhale when breathing? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which metal is used to make permanent magnets? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Aluminium. D. Nickel. Correct answer is iron. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers to suppress fires by displacing oxygen? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which metal is commonly used for making aircraft and aerospace components due to its low density? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Aluminium. D. Silver. Correct answer is aluminium. Which gas is produced during the process of fermentation? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Nitrogen. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. In which part of the human body are the vocal cords located? A. Lungs. B. Brain. C. Throat. D. Heart. Correct answer is throat. What is the chemical formula for table salt, sodium chloride? A. Knuckle. B. H2O. C. Colorado 2. D. K2SO4. Correct answer is knuckle. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. hydrogen, D. Nitrogen. Correct answer is carbon dioxide. Which gas is responsible for the distinctive smell of rotten eggs? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Hydrogen. D. Hydrogen sulfide. Answer: hydrogen sulfide. Which gas is used in the treatment of respiratory conditions and is commonly inhaled for medical purposes? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. D. Nitrous oxide. Correct answer is nitrous oxide. Which gas is commonly used in car tires to inflate them? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Helium. D. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer is nitrogen.